Dear children, we are doing addition today. So let's start doing the next exercise. Yes, let's start reading the question first. Add and write the correct number of figures in the boxes. One has been done for you, as they have given one example that is already done for you. We have to count and write the numbers of the pictures, and then we have to add. We have to count all together. Let's start. Begin with the first example. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. So they have written 3. And there are 2 flowers. So they have written 2. And between they have put the sign of addition, that is called plus. And now 3 plus 2 means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 altogether. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many flowers are there? 5 flowers altogether. Now second example is balloons are given. So we have to start writing and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balloons are there? 5 balloons are there. And these 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons are there. Now I have to write 5 plus 4. Now we have to count all these balloons all together. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are 9 all together. Now the C part is we have to add and write. First of all, we will count the triangles 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 in this box. Now the next one is 1, 2, 3. 3 are there. Now we have to write 3 plus 3. Now we have to count all together. As we know, there are 3. Now we have to count rest. What comes after 3? 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 here, as 3 and 3 are addends and the 6 is sum. Okay. Now D part. How many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 here. And these 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 here. Now we have to count or plus all together. So as we know, these balls are 6. Then we will count the next. After 6, what comes after 6? 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay children? We have done this exercise with the help of pictures. Now we will do this exercise without picture. Now the first part is 6 plus 5. So you have to keep it in mind that the biggest number you have to keep in your mind and 5 in your fingers. Am I clear to you? Again, 6 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. You have to count 5 fingers. And while doing addition, we have to count forward counting, the normal counting. And now let's start adding these numbers. 6 in your mind and 5 in your fingers. 6 and 5. These are my 5 fingers. Now what comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11, or you can say the sum is 11. Now the B part is 4 plus 7. As I have told you, we have to keep the biggest number in our mind. So 7 is the biggest number. So we will keep 7 in our mind and 4 in our fingers. Now we have to count the further. What comes after 7? 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Now the next one is 2 plus 6. 6 is the biggest number. So we will keep 6 in our mind and we have to show 2 fingers here. Now what comes after 6? 7. So we will count started counting 7, 8. So sum is 8. Now the D part is 9 plus 3. 9 in your mind and 3 in your fingers. So we have to count forward counting. What comes after 9? 10. 10, 11, 12. So the sum is 12. The next part is 8 plus 4. 8 in your mind and 4 in your fingers. 8 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. Now what comes after 8? 9. So we will start counting 9, 10, 11, 12. So the sum is 12 here. We will write it here. Now 7 plus 6. 7 in your mind and 6 in your fingers. Now these are 5 fingers and I am counting my pencil as a finger. So they are 6 now. Okay. Can you see? Now what comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 7 plus 6 is 13. These numbers are presented in horizontal. Horizontal means sleeping lines. Now the next question is in vertical addition. Vertical means standing position. So the first sum is 4 plus 3. As you know, we have to keep the biggest number in our mind. 4 is bigger. So we will keep 4 in our mind and 3 in our fingers. So 3 fingers, 4 plus 3. 4 in your mind plus 3. Let's start counting. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. So the sum is 7. Now the next one is 5 plus 3. 5 is the biggest number. So we will keep 5 in our mind and 3 in our finger. Now what comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. So we will write 8 here. Now the next one is 4 plus 1. 4 in your mind, 1 in your finger. What comes after 4? 5. So answer is 5, or you can say the sum is 5. The next one is 2 plus 5. 5 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. So what comes after 5? 6, 7. So the answer is 7. The next part is 7 plus 5. 7 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. Now we have to count forward counting. What comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will write 12 here. And they are single digit number addition. The next one is 9 plus 4. 9 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. Now what comes after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will write 13 here. The next one is 7 plus 2. 7 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. What comes after 7? 8, 9. So we will write 9 here. The next part is 3 plus 6. So 6 is the bigger number. So we will keep 6 in our mind and 3 in our finger. These are my 3 fingers. Now what comes after 6? 7. So we will start from 7. 7, 8, 9. The sum is 9. This way you can do all the sums of addition. Children, do practice at home. Bye.